The main thing, the fourth one, fundamental rights. See, I have made it like that, and here is 6 points also, in which already I have explained it in class, but I will explain it here also. Fundamental right is our birthright. Whenever we are taking birth in any country, some rights automatically include with us, like right to equality. It means no one can discriminate to us for any reason, for religious belief, for color, for creed, for languages, for gender, for anything. It means if we are discriminated by someone, then it's not fair and we can go to the police. Second, right to freedom. Everybody is free here, but freedom is bound by government. We cannot kill someone. Freedom, it's not mean that we can kill anyone to whom we are not liking. But yes, right to freedom means we all are free to do our work, to live our life in our own way. And the third is right against exploitation. Exploitation means nobody can use us in a bad way. If we are doing job somewhere or we are doing anything, we cannot anyone cannot do any unwanted thing with us without our consent. So this is also very important. Exploitation means to use in a bad way by someone. The fourth one is cultural and educational right. It means we can follow our religion and culture freely, and everyone can get education. Nobody can stop anyone to take education. And fifth one is right to freedom of what I have written, religion. Okay, right to freedom of religion. We all can follow our particular respected religion, or whether it is Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, Isai, Jain, Parsi, Bodh, whoever, whatever we can follow it. If we want to change our religion, suppose I am Hindu and I want to follow the Muslim religion, I am also free to follow it. So this is also a freedom. It is our fundamental right. Nobody can force us to follow their own religion. And if we don't want to follow any religion, we also free for this. We having freedom for this also. And the next, right to constitutional remedies. It means constitution having a clause that if any thing which should be changed by the time, which is not relevant for this time or something, so there is a remedy to, we cannot change it but we can amend it. It means by the time the things has been changed. So constitutional remedies is also there in constitution.